John Maina Kariuki arahobaneirio ni obitha borithi handu hetagwo Area 14 itura-ini ria Mugutha sub-county-ini ya Ruiru. Borithi metikitie Maina niwe mutongoria wa uvangi wa uici wa ngari miena ya Kibo, Thika, Juja na Nairobi ugituika akoretwo njama-ini icio kwa ihinda ria miaka 5.
I want to say that this criminal was armed with a Glock, a pistol, recovered with ammunition and ready to shoot. But we have the pistol with us here. This is a pistol which actually we recovered from the criminal after being challenged by the officers.
Kunyitwo kwa Mwikuirwo ucio gukite kiumia kimwe tu thutha wa borithi kuraga Mwikuirwo mwena wa Kamakis Ruiru riria mageria mao ma kuiya kuma thito ya kambuni imwe ya indo cia uthaka mathatire. Hindi ya virigisheni ya ira ngari igire, mushinga umwe muthemba wa pistol, number plates cia ngari, vengo oro hamwe na matharaita ni iraiyukirio kuma nyumba ya Mwikuirwo ucio.
So far we've recovered 2 vehicles parked in different police stations. As we recover, we park the nearest police station and then we continue with the operation.
Kuringana na kiateka wa nyumba iria Mwikuirwo akomborete, Maina ainukaga na guthie mathaa-ini ma utuku na ni ahuthagira ngari ngurani ona gutuika ara maikaranagia nake matire ma mwiciriria.
Sijai naonanga wanawake wakiingia huku tu. Hapana. Kumuonesha nyumba tu, akisema mambo ya nyumba ndio natengeneza tu. Kama kuangalia maji imefanya nini. Lakini si biashara nyingine.
Aongeangi na watu. Anakuja tu kama ameingia kwa nyumba yake, kutoka anatoka anaenda.
Masaa yake. Hado-ini ha Inooro TV, jetagwo Helen Maina.